In this video, I'll show you how to sign up, redeem your promo code, and unlock exclusive discounts in under 70 seconds. Let's dive in. First, click the link in my description below. This is your special affiliate link that unlocks bonus credits. Hit sign up, enter your email, create a password, and you're in. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Manage Account from the drop-down menu. You'll see your current plan and credits here. Now scroll down to the promo code section. Click Enter Code and paste your discount code. You can find working codes in my description and pinned comment. Hit Claim and boom. Your free credits are instantly added to your account. See? I just got 1,060 credits for free. These credits let you create AI videos, animations, and more. The more you use my link, the more exclusive coupon codes I'll share with you. That's it. You're now ready to create amazing AI content with Higgsfield. Don't forget, use my link below for bonus credits. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.